Hi everyone, today's headlines. Assam Rifles inaugurate water supply scheme and marketing shed at Lungwa Mon. PDA delegation calls on Smriti Irani discuss on establishing National Institute of Fashion Technology. LPG price hiked again by 25%, ATF price up 6.5%. No new COVID-19 cases in Nagaland. Health Minister Harsh Vardhan to take COVID-19 vaccine shot today. This bird was not seen for 170 years, then it appeared in Indonesian forest. Naga conservationist Nuklu Form shortlisted for Whitley Award. News in details. Assam Rifles inaugurate water supply scheme and marketing shed at Lungwa Mon. Mon Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of HQ IGAR North provided a water supply scheme, bore well and marketing shed in remote village of Lungwa Mon district, Nagaland on February 25, 2021. The villagers prior to the water supply scheme project had to ferry water in the mountainous terrain over long distances. However, with the construction of the bore well project, the villagers will now be able to collect or store water within the village, the PRO informed. PDA delegation calls on Smriti Irani discuss on establishing National Institute of Fashion Technology. The People's Democratic Alliance delegation led by Minister for Higher Education and Tribal Affairs Temjen Imna Along called on Union Minister of Textile and Women and Child Development Smriti Zubin Irani yesterday at her office in Udyog Bhavan, New Delhi. Minister Temjen Imna Along in a tweet said, met Union Minister of Textile and Women and Child Development Smriti Zubin Irani ji yesterday at her office in Udyog Bhavan, New Delhi along with Honorable Minister Government of Nagaland Sri Tongpang Ozukam and Honorable Advisor Government of Nagaland Sri Medo Yoka. He also informed that they had a wide discussion on establishing the National Institute of Fashion Technology in Nagaland under Technical Education Department. LPG price hiked again by Rs 25. ATF price up 6.5. Cooking gas LPG price was on Monday hiked by Rs 25 per cylinder across all categories including subsidized fuel and those availed by Ujjwala scheme beneficiaries, the fourth increase in the rate in a month time. LPG price had gone up by Rs 125 per 14.2 kg cylinder since the beginning of February, price data from state-owned oil marketing companies showed. Also, jet fuel prices were hiked by a step 6.5% on the back of a rally in international oil prices. No new COVID-19 cases in Nagaland. No new COVID-19 cases were reported in Nagaland on Monday, while the active cases also remain at 7. As on March 1, the total caseload stood at 12,200 and altogether 11,949 patients have recovered from the infection. Health Minister Harsh Vardhan to take COVID-19 vaccine today. Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan is likely to take the coronavirus disease vaccine shot on Tuesday morning. The Health Minister is going to take the shot at Delhi Heart and Lung Institute, an official communique from the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare informed. Dr. Harsh Vardhan, Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, along with his wife, Nudhan, will take the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine at Delhi Heart and Lung Institute at 11 am on March 2, 2021. The alert from the Health Ministry read, this bird wasn't seen for 170 years, then it appeared in an Indonesian forest. What might be the Asian longest missing bird just came out of hiding. For the first time in 170 years, a black-brown blabber has been found in Indonesian researchers reported last week. The discovery of the mutated black, grey and chestnut brown, what an authoritative birding guide describes as one of the greatest enigmas of Indonesian ornithology. When we actually got confirmation of the identification, I did a little prayer and bowed down to celebrate, said Panji Gusta Akbar, an ornithology and lead author of the paper describing the new species. I felt excitement, disbelief and a lot of happiness. Naga conservationist Nuklu Form shortlisted for Whitley Award. Nagaland's renowned conservationist Nuklu Form is among the 15 names shortlisted for the prestigious Whitley Award in 2021, along with Assam's Bibhuti Lakhar. The duo are the only Indians to be shortlisted for this year's award from among the 106 applications received from across the globe for their exceptionally high standard, representing diverse approaches across a broad range of countries, habitats and species, etc. After a comprehensive assessment, top 15 candidates were identified for doing incredible work with communities to safeguard wildlife, habitats and the future of society, for which name of the winners would be announced on May 12th this year, TFM report stated. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.